building. We do not care about your feelings. We do not care about your feelings. Got God's in the building. We got the God's in the building. We got the God's in the building. Got God's in the building. We do not.
Seen you from various different powwows. Can I get your guys' opinions on us and like our behavior at the powwows and how we dealt with the people? We've seen you a couple times, right?
You set up right next to me, literally.
Well, we set up right next to you. How do you think, like, us as a organization, how we've conducted ourselves at these various powwows that we've been
Professional.
to? Okay.
Professional, courteous, polite, not forceful.
So, are we forcing anything on anybody here?
No.
Okay.
You're sharing your views, your opinion. You're sharing your personal beliefs.
Right.
So, and as a believer, we are here to share the good news.
Right. Right.
Every creed, every nation is seated at the table in the throne room.
Right. And so through the experiences that you've seen us and experienced us with, would you consider us a hate group?
No.
No. You guys don't even put the persona of being hateful. I mean, you guys.
No.
Oh, you guys like smiling. You guys are open and welcoming. You just don't talk and not let us ask anything. And you guys are
Very polite.
very polite.
Professional is what I would say.